love a luxury decorating look, but not the hefty price tag? In this video, watch me turn $10 worth of Goodwill items into $288 worth of Pottery Barn style decor. And I'm using super inexpensive supplies to prove to you how easy it is to create luxury looks for pennies on the dollar. Join me as I reveal how these luxury projects came together. Hi, my name is Joanne and welcome to my channel. The first item that we're going to recreate from Pottery Barn is a $149 decorative tray. This is from the Artisan Studio Handcrafted collection. I found this heavy platter at a thrift store, and the exaggerated proportions are identical to the ones at Pottery Barn. This was only $3.99. To keep the cost down, I used leftover household paint mixed into drywall compound. I applied the texture over a base coat of spray paint primer. What's great about this mixture is that the drywall compound literally gives you the look of handcrafted pottery, and it's so easy to work with. I then added another layer and smoothed it out with a wet sponge. I mimicked the coloration from Pottery Barn by using a chip brush and the watered down Walmart paint. And that's just how easy it was to create this $149 tray. Stick around till the end of the video because I'm going to show you the final results and you'll see how I styled this in my home. For luxury item number 2, I wanted to do something small and a candle holder seemed perfect. Since Pottery Barn has candle holders in a variety of shapes and sizes, I looked around and the shape of this candle holder stood out to me at the thrift store. I got it for $1.99. Instead of doing something plain like these, I opted to upgrade the finish by doing the French glaze technique in ivory. In the French glaze finish, Pottery Barn's candles start at $59.50. I primed it and then added my go-to drywall compound and then added color variations with the 58-cent paints. Now I'm gonna hold off giving you the secret of all secrets about this technique that I figured out. I'll tell you all about it shortly because my next technique is very similar but in a much more flashy color. Luxury item number 3 from Pottery Barn is an amphora vase in the French glaze green. Pottery Barn shows the green with much more aging effects. This bestseller is priced at $79.50 at Pottery Barn. I got this at Goodwill for $3.99. Just like the other items, I started out with the base coat primer. I added the same drywall paint texture, and this time with the sponge to keep it smoother. I made sure to continue the technique into the vase to keep that high-end look going. If you notice, the French glaze technique is divided into 2 color tones. So I took tape and sectioned it off where I wanted the colors to change. Then I got to work on the bottom half, giving the colors depth and tone and making it look like it was gracefully aged. Next, I blended the top area, focusing on the mossy green color and adding in other color variations, including this cool amber color. The part that makes all the difference in bringing this vase to a higher level is that you tape it off again and you make the top section glossy while keeping the bottom matte. This mimics that expensive look of a potter dipping the vase into a glossy glaze. I did the same thing with the French glaze ivory candle holder. I'll put a link in the description for a gloss spray paint. I found this at Walmart for under $6, and it should get me through about 10 to 15 projects like this one. It's time for the big reveal, and then I'll show you how I styled these projects in my home. Here's Pottery Barn's decorative tray, and here's my DIY. Here's Pottery Barn's French glaze candle holder. And here's my DIY. Here's Pottery Barn's French glaze in green. And here's my DIY. Next, I'm going to show you how I styled these in my home, but I really want to hear which of these 3 projects you like the most. I had so much fun recreating these luxury finishes. I'm showcasing them all together, featuring vintage jewelry to add a little sparkle. I set the French glaze vase apart a little because I wanted it to make a statement on its own, like a piece of art. Please subscribe so that we can keep creating high-end style together for less. Thank you for watching.